based on the information gathered from research and exploration of various blender types. We have been able to identify the most popular or favored blender. After reviewing the reasons and analyses available in this list, you can determine whether this product could be the right choice according to your preferences. If your answer is yes, we are glad to have assisted you in making a well-informed and intelligent decision. However, if it's not, you can explore other top and best blenders we have selected in our YouTube video list or on our website, all of which can be found in the description of this video. Let's start with number 1.
How and why did we choose?
To select this one, we analyzed more than 200 products. After careful consideration and 72+ hours of research, we have selected the perfect product. And after checking more than 80 items, we were able to select that product.
It's also best at number 2.
After our research, we have found that this product is also the best in these cases, like best in single-serve blender and best in versatile blender.
Reasons behind the most favorite. Number 3.
Here are some of the most important reasons why we selected this product as the most favorite blender. The customer satisfaction rate for those who were satisfied with their purchase is 95%. The next reason is easy to clean. That makes you feel comfortable in maintaining this the most favorite blender. And the number of customers who have given ratings is very high, selling for more than 10 years, proving its long-lasting popularity and reliability in the market. And it's super easy to use because it doesn't have any complicated settings. It's highly recommended by so many customers with comments and reviews. With all of these reasons, it can be said that this blender is a popular brand in the market.
Fresh, healthy, vitamin-rich, and affordable. Number 4.
There are 2 ways to get your vitamins: chemical pills or fruits and vegetables. Pills can be convenient, but they can also have side effects. Fruits and vegetables are a natural way to get your vitamins, and they're also good for your overall health. This activity can be both a fun way to spend time with your family and a way to provide vitamins for you and your children. And it's also a great way to save money. Plus, you can make them whenever you want, so they're always available.
Our research and review. Number 5.
The price of this blender compared to other similar blenders on the market is good. However, the power of this blender is average and suitable compared to other similar blenders. The quality of this product, according to customers and our reviews, is average. The value of purchasing this product in comparison to its price, quality, and performance is average. And the beauty of this blender, compared to other similar blenders, is rated as average. And finally, considering all these factors, our score for this blender is 90 out of 100.
Product information and special feature. Number 6.
The most important information and special features of this blender, which are available on the purchase page. Item weight: 7.6 pounds. Blade material: stainless steel. Material type free, is BPA free and dishwasher safe. Capacity is 72 fluid ounces and motor power is 1100 watt.
Happy and unhappy customer reviews with number and percentage. Number 7.
To keep the video short, we've included a few short reviews from customers, and to see full reviews, check our website. Nearly 95% of the over 38,000 customers who have purchased this product are satisfied. Here are a few of their short reviews. However, 5% of customers who are over 2,000 are unhappy.
What can you make with it? Number 8.
This blender can help you make a variety of delicious and healthy dishes. And here are some of the things you can make with this blender, like smoothies, soups, dips, sauces, batters, grinds, ice cream, juices, baby food, and more.
Customer satisfaction reviews number 9.
Another factor that influenced our choice of this product as the most favorite blender is our review of customer satisfaction. According to the latest customer reviews of this blender, it is evident that out of every 10 reviews received, at least 9 customers are satisfied and like this blender, while 1 or 2 customers are not satisfied.
Important things to remember number 10.
These important points were collected by us from the reviews provided by previous customers. Don't use too much for only ice crushing. When you receive your order, be careful that it hasn't been used before. And also, check all parts of it to ensure it hasn't cracked. And it's better to use it several times before return time end.
The durability of the blender depends on its performance and how you use it. Number 11.
Can vary depending on a number of factors, but based on the reviews and ratings of previous customers, the usage method, individual or group, usage frequency, daily or weekly, and other factors, it can be said that this blender can last 4 to 6 years or more.
Products that can be used with this blender. Number 12.
Here are some additional items that you may need to use a blender effectively. A cookbook for learning more about recipes. A spatula to help you mix ingredients. A spoon to stir or garnish your drinks. A good bowl to pour chopped fruits into the blender. Beautiful glasses for serving your drinks at parties or for decoration. Straws for drinking your drinks. A knife for chopping or cleaning fruits. A wooden or plastic cutting board for chopping fruits. All of these items are available in the description, which has been compiled based on our research. And to find out more about this blender, including its name, specifications, and a link to purchase it, check out the description below. Also, to find the best products in different categories, you can follow our YouTube channel and other social media networks.